Hello everyone! In this video I will be making a simple box. And big news! I have a CNC thanks to Sainsmart. Now I am able to customize everything I make. Thanks Sainsmart! So I guess I don't need to tell you a lot about how to make a wooden box, because it's really straightforward and pretty simple. So Sainsmart was kind enough to send me the CNC. This kind of support for my project of making wooden toys and decorations for charity really means a lot to me, and it helps me a lot. Thank you so much, Sainsmart. CNCing is still a new thing for me, so I still need to learn a lot. So that's why this is a pretty simple project. But you'll see more footage of the CNC in my future videos. For my viewers who don't own a CNC, no worries, I will still be making projects without a CNC. But it's so awesome to have a CNC right now. This CNC comes with an offline controller. It's really handy because you don't need to have your laptop and all the dust in your workshop. As you can see, it's a pretty small CNC, but for the work I'm doing and to start out with CNCing, it's just great. I love you. I didn't use hold-down clamps because they easily get in the way, so I used painter's tape and super glue. It's pretty easy to use it. Just a little bit of sanding, and then you can paint the inside if you want, or you can fill it with epoxy, or just leave it like that. And that's what I'm gonna do with this box for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in one of my other videos. Bye!